how to log in to PlayStation 4. So if you want to log in to PlayStation 4, then first of all open up a browser and then simply click on the search bar and search for PlayStation 4 and then go for the first option, and here you will have your PlayStation 4, right? So if you want to log into your account, then you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Now you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, click on next, and now you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can simply go for trouble signing in, and then PlayStation will guide you with some steps to get back to your account. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it, and then you can click on sign in, and after clicking on sign in, you will be signed into your account, or you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your PlayStation 4. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.